and you hardly need any coding experience. You can just go with the software from scratch. So what you can do with PHPRunner is you can quite simply make an online application and then customize it for whatever reason or for whatever company. I make customized applications for businesses, and I also make software as a service applications. I did something in regards to public order and safety for local authorities, and I did something like hazard analysis, critical control points. I made for an engineering bureau something in Access, Microsoft Access, and then I made a connection through ODBC to the MySQL database in PHPRunner, so they can prepare the projects for the employees in Microsoft Access, and then put it in the online application, so the employees can do their hourly registration online. Yeah, it works fine. I got used to the company, and the support is great, and the software is great as well. And you hardly need any coding experience. You can just go with the software from scratch. And as long as you have any experience with databases, making tables, making the connections, taking care of referential integrity and stuff like that, as long as you take care of the databases, then you can build rather quickly with the PHPRunner, the application that you want. And next to that, the help they have is great, because so if you want to do some coding, then you could just dive in.